Gold is on an incredible run, so let's dig into what's driving this historic surge.
Get this, gold has just shattered all records, rocketing past $5,500 an ounce.
And it's not just gold, silver has seen even crazier gains, up 60% this year.
So, what in the world is behind this massive explosion in precious metal prices?
Well, the biggest reason is the recent and pretty dramatic plunge of the US dollar.
In fact, the dollar has fallen to its lowest point in 4 whole years.
When asked about it, President Trump actually said he thinks the weaker currency is great.
And experts agree. One called the dollar's weakness supercharging the rise in gold's price.
It's that classic seesaw effect, right? As the US dollar goes down, gold tends to go up.
And on top of that, the Federal Reserve just decided to hold interest rates steady.
Fed Chair Powell defended that call, saying the bank's credibility is exactly where it needs to be.
But, a weak dollar isn't the whole story. Something else is fanning the flames.
And that's the escalating geopolitical tension between the United States and Iran.
A recent stark warning from President Trump has definitely cranked up the market uncertainty.
An analyst also pointed to these 3 key forces: central bank buying, momentum, and flight to quality.
So the big question is, where do prices go from here? Well, experts are all over the place. On one hand, big banks like Deutsche Bank are bullish, predicting even higher prices. But on the other hand, some analysts are sounding the alarm, saying the markets are just broken.
So what we have is a classic bull versus bear standoff, making the outlook pretty uncertain.
To sum it all up, this surge is really a perfect storm of powerful factors.
And all this uncertainty is driving everyday people, especially in Asia, to buy up gold.
Which leaves us with a really big question about what all of this truly means.